Welcome to my channel NMK Suju. Team India squad fought against Sri Lanka. 1. Rohit Sharma, captain. 2. Shubman Gill, vice captain. 3. Virat Kohli. 4. KL Rahul. 5. Rishabh Pant. 6. Shreyas Iyer. 7. Riyan Parag. 8. Shivam Dube. 9. Washington Sundar. 10. Mohammad Siraj. 11. Akshar Patel. 12. Kuldeep Yadav. 13. Arshdeep Singh. 14. Khalil Ahmed. 15. Harshit Rana. Thanks for watching this video. If you like, subscribe.